Hey coders!
Did you know one of the largest biology projects ever made was the Human Genome Project? It depended on computer programming. Genome basically means all the genes in your DNA. DNA is a molecule within cells that encodes your genes. A gene is a specific part of your DNA that has a specific function.
I have a question. How does this project use computer programming?
Well, the Human Genome Project is an international scientific research project. Its goal was sequencing chemical base pairs. This means figuring out the order of base pairs.
That sounds so interesting. Wait, what are the base pairs in DNA again?
Well, base pairs are like the chemical compounds that make up the sequence of DNA. Base pairs are like letters that make up a word. In order to read the word properly and know what it says, the orders must be lined up in the correct order. In DNA, there are 4 different base pairs, and their names are shortened to letters A, C, T, and G.
Wow.
The project still remains the largest collaborative biological project in the world.
That's really cool. I looked it up. It's apparently funded by the US government and a project started in 1990. It's said to be completed in 2003. Many other countries around the world work together too. There's also a private company, Celera Corporations, who actually competed with the government to see who completed their goals first.
Yeah, it's a really unique project. Did you know the human genome is approximately 3.2 billion base pairs long? And also, the human DNA sequence is 50% similar to bananas. In other words, we share half our DNA with bananas.
So, how did computers play the Human Genome Project?
Well, there are several different techniques for sequencing DNA. This is done a ton so that eventually you have bits of DNA sequence everywhere and many snippets everywhere. The problem is you don't know the order of these bits. You probably don't want to go through millions of these snippets to find similarities and order the bits by hand, so this is where computers come in.
Oh, so they use computers to order these bits of snippets into DNA into one long sequence, enabling us to map the human genome?
Yeah, knowing the human genome can lead to all sorts of things, including preventing or curing diseases, and even understand what our genes can actually do.
Wow, that's really neat.
Thanks for watching! See you next time, coders!